Hey God, see as body dey sweet me this morning, my body just dey sweet me, I just I wake up well. You know why? As I come hear news say Mr. President, because of this COVID-19, Mr. President don sign order say they release 2,600 prisoners. Make I not use big English because na inmates they call them. I know make people dey ask say wetin be inmate. That's why I come bring them down. 2,600 prisoners. Now Mr. President come say me they release. But my own now be saying, not be the release be the problem. Not be the release be the problem. Wetin I wan come talk now be say I wan beg our Nigerians, people like Commissioner of Police, Chief Judge of Magistrate, Chief Lawyer of Magistrate, then how do they call them? The prisoners, warders. You know, I won't use this video come say come beg on. I won't come beg on say I beg. You know this opportunity they say president can't talk like this. So I beg. I won't beg on. You know say get some people for prison when you be say they don't dey for prison. Their matter where they commit na small matter. The matter na the thing. If you look at very well, the matter na small matter. But based on say they don't come get money, come take continue case. They don't come get money, come take judge case. People only get upper hand, come judge case. Now they consider self for them. Some self na women, some self na youth, some self na people husband, some na people mama. And that my hearing don't come out for this case, so make I put the hearing for ground because this matter now not be hearing issue. So now I won't come beg on. I can say I beg, I beg on. Make una use this medium, make una release those people them. People they don't there, for years. For years, even some say if they come out now, they don't know say na Nigeria then they again because they go even confused because they don't go even know say na Nigeria be this. So I won't use this medium. Make I take beg on, make una beg, make they not allow people then get money, come they begin because they don't hear this thing so they feel come now, come begin pump the case, come they produce money, they pump money, the thing will come cover the poor people they see there. You can see say the poor people go still remain for there. So now I can say make I beg on. I beg, people will get power for one Nigeria, the chief judge, the chief justice, the police commander, this commissioner, award how they call them, warder chief or warder commissioner. So now I can say make I use God to beg on. Make una no allow money come suppress. What they call suppress? Make money come bring down the poor. Then why the thing come they go for some people? We say they're not supposed to come out from that place. And even as they interview the woman who is there for pardon correction program, they come answer and say, Madam, this thing when president come talk so. The thing now, it go relate to those who be say then commit murder, those who be say then do kidnapping, those who be say then steal money from the government pocket. Then he come say answer say they won't come this thing now. He go reach those people. Now the woman come reply and say then go look into the case. Say they go look into the case, and so the woman come reply. But my own now be say I say I won't beg. Be if they look into the case, I say I beg. Make una look into make una bring the file them. Those file they bottom. My beg, make una bring that file out. May they open the file. Because if they open the file, they go see people file. They say those people them, they are crime. Now small thing they commit to, but just that they not come get money, they judge the case again. Now they can't remain there. Some people then they there. Now self-defense, but no money to continue to judge case. Now make them there. So now that one now come they look. So I beg. I won't use this medium now. Make I say beg on now. So I beg. As they look into the case, as they carry the file, as they look into the document, as they look into the computer, so I beg. Make una look the thing very well. Make una look very well. Make the thing touch those who be say it's supposed to touch. Because for me and you, una know say you get some people who be say if they inside prison when you know say their case na shingini case, their case na nothing they throw away. But money come make the thing. The case come be like say the case high well. So I won't beg una. I beg una. Chief Judge, Minister of Judge, I beg they call him Minister of Human Affairs, I beg, look into this matter, put hand into this matter, I beg. Human rights, I beg, make una come out of this matter, make una not keep quiet, I beg. So that's why I can't take talk. Before I come out, Mr. President, God bless you. This one when you do so, I beg make you see sign more because people wey dem need this kind signature wey you sign, dem still many. Apart from this COVID issues wey dey ground, this thing na wetin we need for Nigeria. Na so e just be. May God bless una. Abeg, na so I come see am. How you una see am? If you get anything wey you wan talk, abeg put am for the comments below. And abeg, make you subscribe to my channel so that this work we go dey carry am up small small. Make una remain blessed. Na one Nigeria. God bless we all.